there's one normality for each society. So I'm thinking that, that's fine. But I mean, I need to figure. I guess I need to. I mean, then like after this, I want to talk about Poyman's defense of moral objectivism, and because I guess my question would be, is that even though there's these, there's these many different customs which are normal, and there's different definition of normal based on the culture in the society, is there anything that is common between them? Anything at all? And that's one question that I would have, is there anything at all that is common between those? And if there is, then there can be some sort of moral objectivism, because and I guess we can't possibly look at every single culture because there's so many. We can't look at every single society because there's so many, but we can look at the majority of ones. We can, figure out which ones are the most similar, and sort of create a one, sort of make one that sort of overreaches like most of those, because some of them are so similar. And I don't know if this is even possible, but I would think that this would have to be done, because. And then I guess another question would be: is there any human nature between all of us? Is there? Because we could get a first principle of morality based upon how we all act, how all people seem to act, and we could also create a first moral principle based upon what our human nature is, what we are, what our inherent true nature is, and that's another big possibility. That's another big possibility about whether this shows that there is ethical. And I guess I don't think that this shows full ethical relativism, because you'd have to have many things which shows that there's no human nature. There is nothing common between at least 75% of humans. There's nothing in common between them culturally, between all the cultures. You'd probably have to show that. And I don't know. You might have to do other stuff like that too. But I mean, that's probably some work. But and then the next video on this anthology I'm gonna do is Poyman's defense of moral objectivism. So hopefully then we can compare these two and think about these things together, all these things together, and think about maybe what constitutes a first moral principle, if there can be one, and stuff like that. So, and then we'll see what Poyman has to say. So, thank you for watching, honestly.